Hi guys. Okay, so today I wanted to do a quick video about how to do a sewing pattern. I had seen in some sewing groups that I'm in on Facebook that people were really interested in learning how to do sewing patterns. And I had never thought about it, but there are a lot of steps and you sort of have to know, like, where do I start with all of this? So this first video in the series is just going to be about how to find a pattern that you want to try out. So there's a couple things that you're going to need to know. You're going to need to know, like, what do I want to make, obviously. So if you want to make, a baby blanket, or if you want to make a women's shirt, or if you want to make, you know, um, oven mitts or whatever. So I usually start out on Pinterest, so that's why I've got this page open. So I just typed in free sewing patterns, and we're just going to look, and I'm going to see if I get any inspiration from what I see here. This elephant is really cute. I've got a couple of pregnant friends, so actually I'm going to do free baby sewing patterns, and I'm going to see. That hat is really cute, and that would be used with knit fabrics, so stretchy fabrics, which I'm familiar with, so that might be something. And you can always, start a board and start pinning this stuff if you want to. These sleep sacks are super, super helpful when you're a new parent, so that's also something I might look at. That's really cute. Let's see. There's baby pant patterns. Okay, so there's a ton of cute stuff here. So I actually have a pattern in mind, and it's not one that I see here. So I wanted to just show you guys, this is what I do first. I just head over to Pinterest and I start looking at free sewing patterns. I could type, free women's shirt sewing patterns or free men's sewing patterns. It just depends on what you're looking for specifically. These bibs are super cute. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys a couple of other websites. This video is not, no one paid me to make this video. I'm not affiliated with any of these people or these websites, but I wanted to show you. So this is patternsforpirates.com. I really like their patterns generally. So you go to this website and then you click on shop, and then I'm going to come down here to freebies just because I want, particularly for this video and for this series, I want to come up with a free pattern so that finances are not a problem for anyone who wants to make these with me. So this is what I was looking for. So the Petite Pegs is these cute little baby leggings, and I've made a ton of these I've made the adult version for myself, and I have made the kids version for my own kid and other friends and family. So this one, I believe, goes from, let's just look at the sizing here. So they've got, you can see what kids look like wearing these. And then they always have a chart here, so you can see, okay, it covers preemie all the way up to 12 months size. So that's what the sizing chart means. And so you can see, for bike length for a preemie, newborn, 3-month or 6-month, you only need a 1/4 yard of fabric. So that's pretty good. And then let's just take a look here. Okay, so it says the Petite Pegs are drafted for stretch knits, so baby will be comfortable moving and sleeping in it all day. Okay, so this pattern particularly, we need to have stretchy fabrics, and I do have some stretchy fabrics that I've picked out for using this pattern. So this is the one that I'm gonna get. So I already own this one, but what you would do is just add it to your cart, and then it's going to make you create a login with your email address, and it might even need you to enter in an address and your email and everything, but you're not going to end up paying for anything because this is free. So that is the first step. So we are going to make these petite pigs in this series. I just wanted to show you. So this Patterns for Pirates is run by a lady named Judy. She creates the patterns, and her sister runs this other website, Made for Mermaids, and they have some fun free patterns also. So I would just go to sort by price. This is in their shop. And then you can scroll down and you can see they have a bunch of free patterns. So they have mermaid tails. They have this Cinderella gown. I mean, that's gorgeous. They have these little coffee cozies. Anyway, so they have a bunch of cute stuff that are, these things are really great. So if you're looking for a free pattern and you don't want to do the leggings pattern, then you can choose any free pattern that you want, you know, or any paid pattern. And these guys both have good patterns, good instructions, and all of that. So anyway, that is the first section about like how to find a pattern. Obviously, you can search for paid patterns as well. For instance, okay, so Green Style also makes a lot of great patterns. And so, you know, if you want to make these athletic looking leggings, these ones are $10, and you know, it's similar. You can take a look here and see these are the different sizes that they cover, and these would be your measurements. So if you don't know how to take measurements, let me know in the comments and I can make a video on that. But you just take your own measurements, or whoever you're making the leggings for. And we'll go over the other steps in the next video. We're going to go over how to print the pattern. We're going to go over stretch percentage. We're going to go over all sorts of stuff so that you guys know how to put your pattern together and have it be really successful. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you later. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.